You keep rolling slowly.
What's going on, everybody? We're here at Lake Geneva, camping at Bigfoot Beach State Park. Now, my wife and I were just talking yesterday about how COVID has been a challenge, but it's also provided some opportunities. Opportunities to grow and try new things. But today, and this may be so simple and basic 101 for many of you that you might laugh, but hey, we have never set up or used hammocks before. We've had 2 of them in storage for some time, and since we're on this trip today, I figured why the heck not? So what I'm gonna do is, in case you haven't learned, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up using both the strapped version, and then really the same principle would apply with the rope. The other hammock we have uses the rope instead of these straps, but show you real quick how to secure the straps and how to settle in the hammock for your enjoyment. And boy, it's really as simple as it is, as primitive as it is. Having laid in this hammock today, we're like, wow, this is super duper comfortable, to the point that we think we might actually try some hammock camping. So anyway, let's get to the tutorial and I'll give you a real quick rundown of how to do it. All right, so obviously the first thing, when it's packaged up, you'll have all of these contents inside this little pouch. It's designed to be compact. That's one of the benefits. We've got this version, has a, this is from Honest Outfitters, purchased this last year. This comes with a strap version for assembly. These are 200-pound straps, so you have a max weight of 400 pounds. We'll show you how to tie those in a minute. First of all, get all that stuff opened up here. Go ahead, unfold and open up your package here. Never mind my children walking through the frame. So we get that unfolded, roll it out, spread it out, and make sure that you've got it laid out correctly and it's not all twisted up. So make sure it's there, pull it over here. All right, so now that's on the ground. Now it's laid out. Now the next step is to pick your tree posts and get your straps set up. So I'll show you that now. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold the strap in my left hand like this. Then I'm gonna take this strap, go around the back of the tree, come through, and then put it through the loop with the blue facing out. So go ahead and grab the other end, wrap it around, pull out the slack, okay? And now I'm gonna go ahead and push it through this loop. So you're gonna open that up, bring it through, and pull out all the loose end, cinch it down, boom, now it's tight, okay? All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to tie this strap so that it will both secure the hammock and allow you to easily undo it at the end. I'm gonna take some tight, I'm gonna keep this taut, basically rest this in your hand like this, right? And what you wanna do is make a loop. And when you make the loop, you want black, see how it kind of twists? You want the blue part to be facing the black part. So you're gonna see black and black, right? And then, this is the trick. This was the part that was hard to figure out with the instructions. My wife figured it out. All you're going to do is take this loop right here and flip it over, flip it up, and then you're gonna grab this taut part and pull it through. And now, look at that. You've got yourself a slip knot. Then you're simply gonna take your clip, place it in, adjust it down, and then as you put weight on it, it pulls the knot, it pulls the, then as you put weight on it, it pulls the knot tight. But now, after weight's been on it, obviously this knot is pretty tightly wound. So the easiest way I've found to undo this is you take this carabiner and you kind of rock it to kind of loosen this up a little bit. Then remove the carabiner. Now you're left with the knot, but look, all you do is grab this right here, pull it, and now you've undone the knot. One more time. Here, up, over, flip up, grab through, snug down. Beautiful. Undo it, just pull. Okay, so I've got my knots, or I've got my straps tied on either tree. I'm gonna pull this tight. I'm going to roughly lay out where the hammock has to be and where the attachment points are. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tie my first knot over here, just like I showed you. Now I'll just go ahead and do the same one. And it's gotta be kind of taut so you're not hitting the ground. So kind of raise it up. And then where the carabiner is, you kind of want to roughly have your loop start. Go ahead, fold it over, flip it up, pull it through. Get it pretty tight, or pretty well snugged down so it doesn't travel a lot once you lock it in. Pull it down, and now the only thing left to do is test it. Oh, there's the ticket. About 4 inches off the ground, and then you're ready to go. It's a beautiful thing. Right as the sun came out. Give me a push, would you, son? Beautiful. You're stopping me though. Yeah, there you go. Oh, thank you. So comfy. I feel like a little tiny baby in a cocoon. The breeze, the sunshine, I could definitely get used to it. And it's so easy and small to pack up. Throw it in your kit, and no matter where you are, you can get yourself up off the ground. You don't have to worry about using a rock as a pillow. Just bring this and a fleece blanket. You want to sit in here? Get in with Dad. Oh, careful. Oh, you did, okay, all right. This is comfy, isn't it? Go ahead and show us how you get into the hammock, buddy. You want some help? Let me help you so I don't hear. Oh, that's not how you get in. All right, get comfy. Fold you up like a taco. See, what this bag, I was thinking if you get some rocks too, and then you cinch it down, you can basically throw it over like that and it'll help keep the fly closed. So it's multiple purpose. You can. Giving him a little push. Whee! So relaxing. All right, so now folding up your hammock and putting it away is another thing. So if you buy most hammocks are gonna come with a little pouch like this, and the design is for the hammock to fold up into each other. So really all you're gonna do is bring this thing in, fold it over itself, and then you go ahead and begin to roll it. See here, we'll do it like this. Begin to kind of roll it up. Trying to keep it nice and compact. Then you just go ahead and fold it into the pouch. Boom. There it is. Ready to go. And boy, it's really, as simple as it is, as primitive as it is, having laid in this hammock today, we're like, wow, this is super duper comfortable, to the point that we think we might actually try some hammock camping.